Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. Today I'm going to bring you along my body care routine. Since the weather is starting to get drier and colder outside, I wanted to share with you all of my tips, tricks, and products I use in order to get soft skin and help with issues like body acne and cellulite. So with that being said, let's just get right into the body care routine. First, I'm going to share a couple of my tips that I like to do before I go to sleep to wake up with soft skin and hydrated skin. And starting first with my face skincare, this is something I always incorporate into the winter months, and that is a hydrating overnight mask. I've been currently loving the Laneige water sleeping mask. This is great for all skin types. It's an overnight moisture recharging gel mask, and it quickly absorbs while you sleep to deeply hydrate your skin. It's great for dryness, dullness, uneven texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. What's great about it is it's dermatologist tested and it's non-comedogenic, meaning it's not going to clog your pores. It allows me to wake up in the morning with really soft skin. My next big tip I like to do is apply baby oil before bed, especially if you plan to shave the next day. So by applying the baby oil onto your body, including the parts where you have body hair, this will really hydrate your body hair for when you do end up shaving. It also is really great because you will wake up with glowy skin and your skin will be silky smooth. So I really like to focus the baby oil on my body hair. So I like to focus it on my legs as well as under my arms, and that's where I will typically shave, and it's just going to be able to give you that smooth shave and hydrate your skin at the same time. Something I totally recommend adding into your body care routine is dry brushing. So all you have to do for this is just use a natural bristle brush to gently and firmly brush your skin in strokes towards your heart. You usually want to go over the areas 2 to 3 times, but dry brushing is typically done before you take a shower. So that is what I'm just doing right now. There is so many benefits when it comes to dry brushing. A big reason why I love to use it is it exfoliates the skin, so it's going to get rid of dead skin cells. So I always like to do this before I go ahead and shave. It also helps the body rid itself of toxins. It helps break down cellulite. It increases circulation and energy, and it stimulates the lymphatic system. So there are just so many benefits when it comes to dry brushing. Like I said, you can go in gentle strokes going up to your heart, or another way to dry brush is just going in circular motions. And you could do this all over. You can do this all over your legs. You can do it around your stomach, on your chest, on your arms. You can go dry brush around your entire body, and you're just going to notice such a big difference, and it's going to make your body feels so smooth over time and amazing. And it's definitely something I like to incorporate into my body care routine, and I like to at least try to do this once a week. You can even go ahead and dry brush underneath the underarms as well. Something I always like to incorporate in the winter months is using a more hydrating body wash. So I actually use the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and you can use this as both a cleanser for your face and for your body. And the reason I like to use this for my body is it's really great for if you struggle with body acne. You always want to look for a body wash that is fragrance free, and also look for sensitive labels. This normally means that they are just less drying and often contains soothing and moisturizing ingredients. The Gentle Skin Cleanser by Cetaphil is great because it has all of these aspects to it, and it's also non-comedogenic, meaning it is not going to clog your pores, and it allows you to be able to gently cleanse your skin while softening and soothing your skin at the same time without harming its natural protective barrier. I just went ahead and applied the cleanser onto my washcloth, which I always make sure to clean every single week, and I like to focus it especially on areas where I tend to break out on my body. Of course, when it comes to the private areas, I like to just wash those areas with a typical bar of soap by Dove, but for the other areas, I've been really enjoying this cleanser on my body for that aspect of body acne, and I just find it doesn't strip my skin and make it super dry. It actually gives it a really nice texture, and it just feels still moisturized after washing my body. In order to get glowy, smooth skin, I of course like to remove my body hair by shaving, but you do have to be a little bit more careful when it is the winter time because a lot of the times it can be drying on the skin. But something I do if you struggle with dry skin is to use a hydrating gel shaving cream. So I just use the Edge one, and this is great for sensitive skin. It has aloe in it, and I find it's not super stripping on the skin. And I'm just going in with my male razor by the Edge as well. I will link any products I do talk about in the description box for you guys, but I like to use this one because it gets a close shave. I totally recommend getting razors that have more of the strips so it does get that close shave. But like I said, by having a hydrating gel shaving cream, this is really going to help to trap moisture while you're shaving. I went ahead and just shaved the areas I typically do shave, especially the legs. And like I said, by doing the baby oil step the night before, this is already going to have your hair soften. And I do like to do the shaving step of my routine at the end of my showers so the water is on your hair and had time to kind of soften it so that you don't leave nicks when you are shaving. I did do a whole video about how to get the perfect shave, how to get smooth shave without red bumps. If you guys want to see videos like that, I will link it down below, and I will also have my DIY and life hacks playlist for you guys to check out videos on so many other tips and tricks that I do when it comes to beauty care. But I always like to go in gentle little strokes. I don't like to make long strokes, and of course you want to wash your razor in between your strokes with water so that your razor doesn't get all clogged up and you get that close perfect shave as much as you can. Another tip is when you are taking a shower or bath, you want to make sure that your water isn't like boiling hot water because this is really going to cause your skin to get super dry and it's going to take the moisture and hydration out. So you always want to shower with some cooler water so that your skin stays hydrated. Once I shaved, it's always important to follow up with a moisturizer, and these are two products I've been loving and I will share with you guys what I use. The first one is the Aveeno body lotion. Aveeno is one of my go-tos. I just find it's great for my sensitive skin since I do struggle with body acne, and it's just really going to help lock in moisture to help protect dry skin. This lotion is ideal for daily use. It will leave your skin feeling super soft, and what's great about it as well is it is fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and it's non-greasy. Though you may want those super highly fragrant lotions, those aren't always the best. They have a lot of bad ingredients in them, and as well, I find personally for myself, they really break my skin out. So Aveeno is always my go-to body lotion that I typically always go back to and have been using for many, many years. And the last product I've been loving for helping to keep my skin soft and firm is the Moroccan Oil Night Body Serum. This serum will really help to visibly smooth and firm your skin. It is a lightweight serum and it really helps with the dullness and uneven texture. It's also really great with just the dryness and loss of firmness and elasticity. So I actually like to apply this serum before I go to bed. When I don't, obviously go ahead and use my baby oil. While you use this product over time, you're really gonna see a big difference. Like I said, I will have all the products I use in the description box so it's easy for you guys to go use. I will also have my cashback link in the description box, so if you guys want to make money back on any order you make online, I totally recommend signing up. It's free and you get a free $20 once you use it. I hope you guys enjoyed my body care routine. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I do upload every Tuesdays and Thursdays, and don't forget to turn on that bell to be notified when those videos do drop. But with that being said, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!